In this video, we are going to solve standard deviation by using step-deviation method. Already I have explained how to compute the value of standard deviation in the case of individual series and discrete series by assumed mean method. The link for that video is given in the description below. Now we are solving standard deviation by step-deviation method. So formula for step deviation method is sigma equal to root of summation fd square divided by n minus summation fd divided by n the whole square into c. So this f is nothing but frequency and the value of d is x minus a divided by c, and n is total frequency and c is class interval. Now we will solve an example. So in this example we have to find standard deviation, and age and number of persons are given. Age, that is given in the form of class limits, so that is in a frequency distribution, so 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on till 70 to 80, and the number of person values are given, that is frequency. So this is of the form continuous series, so we have to use step deviation method, that is sigma equal to root of summation fd square divided by n minus summation fd divided by n the whole square into c. So actually we have to find the values of d square, fd square and total value of n. So here I have written the table. So with the values of age, frequency, midpoint. Here we have to find midpoint because here the values are given in the form of a frequency distribution. So we have to find midpoint, that value as x, and we have to find d square, fd and fd square. And age I have written, that is given in the problem, 0 to 10 to till 70 to 80, and frequency, that is 15, 15, 23, 22, 25, 10, 5 and 10. So now we have to find the midpoint. So midpoint is nothing but upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So first 0 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 10 by 2, 5. Next second value 10 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 30 by 2, 15. Likewise you have to calculate the rest of the values, that is 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Now we have to find d. So formula for d in the case of continuous series is x minus a divided by c. Okay, so this a is nothing but assumed mean and c is class limit. So x minus, what is a value? A is assumed mean. We have to consider the middle value in the midpoint. So middle value is, so totally we have 8 values, so middle value is 35, so that is a fourth value. So a is 35 divided by c. C is class interval and here the intervals are 10. So x minus 35 divided by 10. So now first find the value. So first value is 5. So if you substitute 5 in the place of x, so 5 minus 35 by 10. So minus 30 by 10, that is minus 3. Next 15 minus 35 by 10, that is minus 20 by 10, so minus 2. Likewise you have to calculate the rest of the values. So minus 1, this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next we have to find d square. So that is minus 3 square, 9 and 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. So these are all the values of d square. Next fd. Fd we have to multiply frequency and d value. So that is 15 into minus 3, so minus 45. Next 15 into minus 2, minus 30. 23 into minus 1, minus 23. 22 into 0, so that is 0. 25 into 1. Next 10 into 2, that is 20. 5 into 3, that is 15, and 10 into 4, that is 40. Next we have to calculate fd square. Fd square we have to multiply f and d square values. Okay, so 15 into 9, that is 135. Next 15 into 4, 60. Next 23 into 1, 22 into 0, 25 into 1, 10 into 4, 5 into 9, and last value is 10 into 16, that is 160. So now we have to find the total, that is summation f, that is nothing but n value. So value of n is 125. Next summation fd total, if you add and subtract you will get 2. Next summation fd square total, so if you add all the values you will get 488. So now substitute all the values, so you will get square root of summation fd square, that is 488 divided by n value is 125, minus summation fd, that is 2 divided by 125 the whole square into c value is 10. Simplify this, square root of 488 divided by 125, that value is 3.904, minus 2 divided by 125 the whole square, that value is 0.0003 into 10. So if you subtract you will get 3.9037 into 10. So if you take square root you will get 1.976 into 10. So if you multiply you will get 19.76. So this is the value of standard deviation by using step deviation method. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on like button, and for further notification please press the bell icon. Thank you.